Do you know that 70% of Singaporeans suffer from some type of headache, neck pain, shoulder tension, or low back pain? If you suffer from one of these conditions, well, pay attention because this might be coming from your spine. If you see here, from the side, the spine should have three curves. One forward here on the neck, opposite direction on the mid-back, forward again on the lower back. If you sit for long hours, you have poor posture, you're always texting on your phone, your neck is going to start to lose the normal alignment, and that can lead to headache, neck pain, shoulder tension. Okay. This person right here has a decent amount of curve, but now you see this x-ray right here, and you see that this person has lost the curve. The neck is totally straight. So instead of being like this, it goes like that. And that will put a lot of tension on the muscles that attach from the head, the neck to the shoulder blades. So that will lead to headaches, neck pain, shoulder tension. If you don't do anything to correct this, the neck will lead to this right here. More degenerative changes on the bones, the disc gets thinner, the bones develop osteophyte, and that can lead to a slip disc right here, putting pressure on the nerve. That can lead to radiating symptoms down the arms, numbness and tingling sensations, burning sensation. This is called forward head posture or upper cross syndrome. Now, what can help? Well, chiropractic. No amount of painkillers is going to do anything to solve this condition. This might cover the symptoms for a bit, but it will not solve. Chiropractic can help to realign the spine by reducing the nerve pressure, allow the joints to move better, reduce the tension on the muscles. After the adjustment, we usually, in these cases, we use a cervical traction that we put on the neck like this to help bring back the curve of the neck, and then we do rehabilitation exercises to stretch the muscles that are tight, strengthen the muscles that are weak, to support the adjustment and improve your posture. So if you want to get rid of the headaches, of the neck pain, and you want to prevent damage of the spine, book an appointment with us by clicking on the link below or in the description of this video and subscribe to our channel. This is Dr. Kevin Tomassini from Spinal Performance here in Singapore. See you at our practice.